On the right side of the header, you can find your total balance converted to BTC and USD. If you want to keep your assets hidden, you can just click on it to see the options. Show All displays balances and order sizes everywhere on the app. Hide Top Balance hides the balance here, but it remains everywhere else. Hide All hides all your balance and order size information across the app. It's helpful when you want to make a screenshot but don't want to share any information about your assets. Next to the balance is the Quick Scan indicator. This shows the number of active markets found by the Quick Scan. To see your past notifications, you can click on the bell icon. You can find your recent bases, price alerts, or trade notifications. The rightmost part is the menu. Click it to access the settings page, change your theme, disable or enable sounds, or log out from your account.